Hello everyone. In previous two video I have already give the idea about how to write your experiment in your practical file. In this session today I another experiment give to you how to write this experiment. An experiment name is the study of animal tissue with help of some permanent slides. So student, any experiment start with the experiment number or heading. This is the experiment. Then every experiment start with the aim, material required, theory. So first, what is the aim of experiment? Aim to identify striped muscle fiber, unstriped muscle fiber, cardiac muscle fiber and nerve cell in animal through previous slides or permanent slides. And in this experiment you also draw their label diagrams. Material required: prepared slides of striped, unstriped and cardiac muscle and nerve fiber and compound microscope. Theory: a tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure, origin and function. And table the main type of animal tissue, which is draw or write in white part of your practical file. Next, what is the procedure? Procedure: first, clean the microscope and adjust the light in microscope. Place the prepared slide of tissue on the stage of microscope and focus first at low power and then at high power. Observe the structure of tissues and draw the diagram of tissues as seen under the microscope. So, first observation about the striped muscle. Student, all of you know the any type of muscle, their shape is the elongated. So 3 points is necessary to write in this experiment. First one is the shape of cell. So this is the cylindrical and elongated. Next, multinucleated. Third one is the band patterns. And next, this is the picture about the striped muscle. Next, unstriped muscle, again the shape of cell, and this is the spindle shape. All of you know, centrally placed nucleus, and there is no any type of band pattern. These 3 points is necessary to write in your practical file. Then non-striated muscles are the involuntary in nature, and this is the picture of this muscle. Third one is the cardiac muscle. Shape of the cardiac muscle, this is the long branched and uninucleated. Band pattern is so you can see here, and cardiac muscle only present in the wall of heart. And this is the picture of cardiac muscle. Student, all the picture you must be draw in the white side of the paper or your file. And next, you can see here I write here the experiment number 2, because nerve cell is the another type of tissue. This is the nervous tissue. It is the part of nervous tissue. So I am here write the experiment number 2. You can separately write about this experiment, and if you write separately, then you must be write the aim of experiment, material required and theory. After written this is the description or observation about the nerve cell. You can see here the observation of the nerve cell must be, you can see the about the dendrites, about the axons and nucleus. and this is the picture of the nerve cell. Lastly, every practical needs a precaution, and again precaution is the handle the microscope carefully. Second, always focus the slide first at low power, this is the 10x, and then at the high power, this is the 40x. Thank you, student.